Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. 4 best paste and wax form cleaning products. Number 1. Butter. If you ran out of oil or WD-40, you can use butter to stop a door from squeaking by applying it on the hinge. You can also use it to clean and shine cast iron. Butter is also an effective cleaner and polish for leather jackets, baseball gloves, wallets, belts, purses, and etc. Number 2. Car wax. If you have lots of stainless steel appliances, you should consider using car wax as a natural cleaning alternative to the conventional surface cleaner. All you need to do is apply a thin layer of car wax to your appliance and let it dry. Use a soft cloth to buff it clean so that it can better resist smudges and fingerprints. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 3. Ketchup. Cleaning using ketchup could be a bit unconventional for some, but that's what we are going for, right? Something new and out of the ordinary. This condiment is not only for food, but also for cleaning around the kitchen. Since ketchup is packed with vinegar and citric acid, you can use as an effective cleaner around your home. You can apply ketchup onto your copper-bottom pots and leave it there for as long as possible before you wipe and rinse it. You can also clean stainless steel and cast iron using this method. Ketchup can also revive the look of old and dull brass candlesticks and doorknobs. Since silver can also tarnish, you can slather, wipe, or soak it with ketchup before wiping it clean. In case your silver comes with a lot of detail, use a toothbrush to scrub it into the silver's grooves. Number 4. Mayonnaise. Just like ketchup, mayonnaise is more than just a condiment. It is an effective tree sap remover and can help get rid of crayon marks on the walls. You can use it to make the leaves of your indoor plants shine, remove fingerprints from stainless steel, silence a noisy hinge, kill head lice, and get rid of tar. You can also use Mayo to remove water rings on your wood furniture. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use 3 amazing powdered cooking products for home cleaning. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.